everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to be filming a spring break haul, and I actually was not planning on filming this video. I just did not think I was going to get enough things for spring break to film this video, but I kind of did a lot of shopping yesterday. Definitely did more than I was planning on, but it's fine. It's okay. Thank you to my grandma for buying me a lot of these things. Like, I truly appreciate it so much. So we're going to start with Hollister. I feel like for Hollister, for me, it's like a hit or a miss. I found two things that I am obsessed with from Hollister. So the first thing I got is this gray t-shirt. It's just like a little gray t-shirt, and it has the lettuce trim on the sleeves as well as on the bottom of the shirt, and I just think it really adds something, and I've been wanting a lot more basics in my closet. I just feel like I don't have as many basics as like you should have in your closet, so I've been trying to put a lot more basics in my closet. But I really like this shirt because it's not like too long, but it's also not too cropped. It's like the perfect length. And the next thing I got from Hollister is a bikini top because I was in need of some swimsuits. So I got this top from Hollister. It's super cute. It's just black and white striped, and it has this little like crisscross detailing in the front. And I realized that for some reason I have a lot of high neck bathing suits. I was obsessed with high neck bathing suits last year, and I actually went ahead and bought another one this year, which you'll see in a little bit. So I needed something where I could get a little bit more tan and not have like this weird tan line, you know, with like the high neck. Yeah. So I think this one is perfect for that, and it's super cute. Okay, next I got things from American Eagle. This is like definitely where I went the most crazy. American Eagle is my favorite store ever. Like, love American Eagle. But so the first thing I got is a jacket, and I love this jacket so much. It's like so soft. It's like a blanket. Like, I could sleep in this. It's so soft. And I really just liked how like the zipper didn't go all the way down. And what's this called? I know there's a name for this. Is it a quarter zip? I think it's a quarter zip. I can't remember. And I actually got this in a size larger than I would, just so that it could be like a little looser and baggier and not like form-fitting, you know? And I like that it's not like too long or anything. That way I can wear shorts with it and stuff, and it doesn't look like I have no pants. The next thing I got is a pair of shorts, and these are the Tom Girl shorty shorts. And I actually did get a size down than I normally would be in these shorts, just because of the style and how they fit and everything. I needed a size down in them, so if you're getting these shorts, would recommend sizing down in them. But I think they're so cute. They're just like the basic denim color, and they just have a ton of rips, and then they're just frayed at the bottom a little bit, and they also like kind of like go up here. And what I really like about these two is that this part right here is like sewn on. I have a pair of shorts from American Eagle, and they are rolled. They're like rolled, but they didn't get like sewn on, so I have to roll them by myself, and it's kind of annoying. So I really like that part's like sewn there, so I don't have to worry about having to roll it myself. The last thing I got from American Eagle is another pair of shorts. When I went yesterday, they were having like a buy one get one half off sale, so of course I had to get another pair, and I was in desperate need of shorts, so I'm glad I found another pair actually. But they're just in the style high-rise shorty shorts, thighs, and I just think they're so cute, and I love white jean shorts. I feel like they just like make an outfit look like almost like more put together or a little bit like fancier in a way. And I really like these because they have like rips, but they're not real rips. They have like the patches behind them, and they're just kind of, and they look distressed, but they're not. And they have the fringe at the bottom a little bit again. Apparently I was loving the fringe yesterday. Next one I'm going to show you stuff from is Target. Show you is this bikini top. I love this color, love it. And I really like that it's like crocheted. I think it just adds something, and it's really pretty. And this bikini is high necked, but what I really like about this neck is it doesn't like swoop or anything. Once you put it on, it goes like straight like that, and I just think it's like really flattering on. And the back is actually really cool. It has like, it's gonna be like kind of hard to show. It has like these like straps that go across it. So, and I just think it's super cool and super cute. I'm so sad they didn't have the bottoms to go with this that were in my size. So the next store I went to was PacSun, but like the Brandy Melville section of PacSun. You know how like there's that little like section of Brandy in PacSun. So I went to that section, and I got this really cute gold star necklace. I've been wanting this necklace for so long, but on the Brandy website, the necklace is almost as much as the shipping is, and I was like, that's just not worth it. I found this in the store, and I instantly grabbed it. I was like, oh yes, I'm getting that. I love it, you guys. It is so cute and like dainty. And next store I went to was Tilly's. I got a pair of Vans. I got the basic white Vans. I know I'm a basic girl, but I got just the canvas white Vans. I've been wanting these for so long, so I'm so glad I finally have them. And I've never owned a pair of Vans before. I did size down half a size, so if you're gonna buy these shoes, I would recommend sizing down half a size. I'm normally an 8, but I got a 7.5 just because they are unisex, so they fit a little differently. Last store I went to was Gracie Lane. I don't know like where all their stores are. I know they don't have one by me. So I don't really know where all their stores are. I don't know if it's just a local store in my grandma's mall. I don't know. I got one shirt from there, and I got another Simply Southern t-shirt. If you guys know me at all, you know I love Simply Southern t-shirts. Really pretty blue color, and it just has an anchor on it, and then it says Simply Southern collection. And then on the back it says live life simply, barefoot and happy, and it has a cute beach scene on it, and I just figured that was perfect for spring break. If you are gonna get a Simply Southern t-shirt, I would recommend sizing up a size. I'm normally a small, but I got a medium because it shrinks a little bit in the wash, and I like my t-shirts a little oversized. But that was everything I got for spring break. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in a new video super soon. Bye!